Borneo Motors Singapore is the authorized dealer and service center for Toyota and Lexus vehicles in Singapore. Through Borneo Motors, Toyota provides ultra-efficient maintenance for Grab vehicles. Based on the data collected by Translog, Toyota's in-vehicle connected device, Borneo Motors will be notified when a vehicle reaches a certain mileage, as well as when Translog detects any vehicle warning. Based on the vehicle data, a service advisor will inform the driver to visit the service center. The driver will be promptly attended to at the Grab service reception counter upon arrival at the service center. The service advisor will extract the vehicle's maintenance data on a tablet and show the driver a maintenance checklist generated based on the vehicle's data and maintenance records. After the driver signs off on the maintenance order, he can rest in comfort at the designated waiting area. Meanwhile, the car is brought to the Intensive Care Stall or ICS, where maintenance processes are guided by the principles of the Toyota production system. The technician in the ICS reviews the maintenance order from another tablet before he starts work. The maintenance checklist is shown on a monitor on the system trolley, guiding the technicians as they work. Maintenance and inspection results are recorded via a voice recognition system.
Adjust.
A digital caliper is used to measure the tire's tread depth, after which the results are uploaded and stored automatically onto the system. Now, technicians no longer need to fill in the maintenance checklist manually. Tires can be lowered and raised by the system trolley, eliminating the need for technicians to carry and move the tires manually. Detached tires are positioned along the rail line of the Automated Guided Vehicle, or AGV. The AGV transports the tires to the tire balancer. As the technicians continue to inspect the underbody, another technician performs tire balancing. If the maintenance work overruns, the Toyota Abnormality Control System will be activated, and the service advisor will be alerted via the tablet. Once the maintenance work is completed, the service advisor will inform the driver and share the maintenance results using the tablet. With the new ultra-efficient maintenance service, the actual maintenance process can be completed in 15 minutes, and the car can be returned to the driver within 30 minutes from reception to delivery, reducing downtime as well as maintenance costs of Grab vehicles. Maintenance records will also be shared with Grab for more efficient and effective fleet management. This allows Toyota, Grab, and Borneo Motors Singapore to work closely together with the aim of offering safer mobility services with peace of mind for both drivers and passengers.